In today's lecture, we are going to solve practice set 1.1 question 2.6, in which our equations are 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. So we are going to call this 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 our first equation, and 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4 equation number second. So if you can see, both side denominators is 3 here. So if we are going to eliminate this 3, we need to multiply both side by 3. So let's multiply both side by 3 in equation 1. So 1 upon 3x into 3 plus y into 3 is equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. Here 3 will be cancelled and here 3 will be cancelled. So our new equation will be x plus 3y is equal to 10. We will call this equation number 3. Now here both side denominators are 4, so we need to eliminate this 4. So let's multiply both sides by 4 in equation 2. 2x plus 1 upon 4y, here 4 into 2x, 1 upon 4y into 4 is equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. This 4 will be cancelled, this 4 will be cancelled, 2 4s are 8x, here y will remain is equal to 11. We are going to call this equation number 4. So in equation number 3 and equation number 4, no coefficient is common. So either we are going to multiply third equation by 8 or multiply equation 4 by 3. So let's multiply equation 4 by 3. Multiply equation 4 by 3. Not third equation but 3 number. 8x into 3 plus y into 3 is equal to 11 into 3. So 8 3s are 24x plus y into 3 is equal to 3y and 11 3s are 33. We are going to call this equation number 5. So in our next step we are going to subtract equation 3 from equation 5 because here 33 is bigger than 10, so it will get easy. Subtract equation 3 from equation 5. So 24x plus 3y is equal to 33 and x plus 3y is equal to 10. So when we are going to subtract both positive, all positive numbers will become negative numbers. So here from 24x, 1x will be eliminated, 1x will be subtracted and 23x will remain. Here 3y will be cancelled or 3y will be 0, which has no value, is equal to 33 minus 10 is 23. So for next step we are going to divide both sides by 23. You don't need to write that. We can directly divide both sides by 23 is equal to 23 upon 23. Here both sides are cancelled. Both sides 23 will be cancelled and x will remain 1 because here 23 was a 23. Now let's place this value. Place value of x is equal to 1 in equation. Now which equation is easy? Here, this fourth number equation has only one y and no coefficient, so we are going to take this equation fourth. What is our fourth equation? 8x plus y is equal to 11 is our fourth equation. And what is x? 8 into 1 plus y is equal to 11. 8 ones are 8 plus y is equal to 11. So, to eliminate this 8, we need to subtract both sides by 8. 8 plus y minus 8 is equal to 11 minus 8. This 8 will become 0, only y will remain, and 11 minus 8, 3. So our solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3.